What can I say? There's so much talent around this place. I keep discovering talents my staff has that I didn't know they had all the time. Now, this is a little surprise for one of our staff because I came upon this accidentally. It fell out of his bag yesterday as he was coming to the staff room, and he didn't notice it. And I picked it up to return it to him, and then I started to read it, and it was this really nice poem about summer camp, kind of a poem, kind of in praise of all the beautiful parts of summer camp. And knowing that this particular guy's kind of shy and probably wouldn't want to read it, I thought I'd just kind of force him to. You'll enjoy it. You're really going to enjoy hearing this, but it's best from the poet himself. I'm talking about Grasshopper. Come on, let's hear it. Let's hear it. I know. This is kind of a dirty trick, but come on. Everyone's really going to enjoy this poem, and I couldn't do it justice. So read it. They're going to enjoy it. It's beautiful. No, I could not. You read the poem. It's your work.
Okay, so I've never read any of my work in front of the public, so don't laugh or anything. Make me feel a lot better. Okay. Listen to the sounds of Walden West summer camp. Hark, the birds are tweeting with joy. Keith? Hear the beautiful sounds of the children enjoying a wholesome Scooby story.
Hi, boys and girls.
I thought you guys were going to laugh. It's okay. I'm going to continue. Listen as the campers take a cool dip in the pool.
Whee! Hey, is it getting warmer in here?
There's the dedicated sounds of the kids honing their skills at the archery range.
Fire at will.
Ow!
Sorry, Will.
Here's the eager cries of our Walden West campers ordering up their favorite ice cream.
Yeah, I'll have a scoop of Brittany dumpster, please.
Listen as the children joyfully hike the Walden West trails.
Oh, it's so pretty. Ow! Yellow jackets! Run for your lives!
Is there something that happened today? There's the sounds of the kids in the picnic shelter enjoying some good old-fashioned arts and crafts.
Can you start my 29th lanyard for me?
Happy sounds of the campers as Badger coaches them on the knockout court.
Better luck next time, Shorty.
Here's the lovely sounds of the confident children safely conquering their fears down at the climbing wall and challenge course.
Look out below!